to draw and locate the centroid of a triangle ABC where right angle at AB 4 cm and AC 3 cm. So draw a rough diagram as it is given right angle triangle. So draw one right angle triangle. Right angle at A, so 90 degree at A. We have to write the letters ABC in anti-clockwise direction always. So A, B, C. AB 4 cm, AC 3 cm. Now we are going to draw the fair diagram. Draw AB 4 cm. A, B 4 cm. Next, draw 90 degree here at A. This is 90 degree. Next, AC 3 cm. Here AC 3 cm. So from A we have to take 3 cm and cut the arc. At A 3 cm. Cut the arc for 3 cm. Immediately mark it as 3 cm. And this is C. Join BC. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector for any two sides. First I am going to draw for AB. So take this length, this is half. So take more than half approximately. Keep it on A and cut 2 arcs. Keep it on B and cut 2 arcs. And join these two. Now mark the midpoint. This is perpendicular bisector. Mark the midpoint as D. Next, I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector for AC.
Start.
Next, I am going to draw perpendicular bisector for AC. If you want, you can draw for BC also. So take, maybe this is half. Include that measurement. Now it is more than half. See the measurement, more than half. Keep it on A and cut 2 arcs. Keep it on C and cut 2 arcs. Same point is there, no problem, but do carefully. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Mark the midpoint as E. Okay, so D is the midpoint of AB. Join D with the opposite vertex C. Next, E is the midpoint of AC. Join E with the B. So, CD and BE are medians. These two medians intersect at the point G, which is called centroid of a triangle. Now the construction. Draw AB 4 cm. At A, draw a ray AX. Draw a ray AX such that angle BAX is equal to 90 degree. Like that you have to write. Draw AX. Okay. Such that angle BAX equal to 90 degree. With the A as center and with radius 3 cm, cut the arc to intersect AX at C. Join BC. Now ABC is a right triangle. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of AB and AC. Midpoint, mark the midpoint of AB as D and midpoint of AC as E. Join CD and BE. These two medians intersect at the point G. G is the centroid of the triangle. Number 3. Draw triangle ABC where AB 6 cm, angle B 110 degree and AC 9 cm. And also we have to construct the centroid of a triangle. Now draw one rough diagram. AB 6 centimeter, at B 110 degree. We know 110 degree it is obtuse angle, so that draw the triangle according to that. Okay, so we have to draw 110 degree. Okay, then mention AC 9 centimeter. Now we are going to draw fair diagram. Draw AB 6 centimeter. Okay, so A, B 6 centimeter. Next we have to draw 110 degree at B. So at B 110 degree. So you may have confused that 110 are there. So not only for 110, whenever we are taking the angle, see at the point B we have kept the protractor and see the line where it is. The line is, the point B is here. The point B is here. According to B, the line is in the left hand side. If the line is on where we kept on the line the AB, we kept the protractor on the line AB. The point at the point B. According to B, the line is in the left hand side. So the left hand side 0. From that onwards, we have to take 110 degree. Okay. So where is the line? From there, from 0, we have to take 110 degree. Okay. Now join this and mark 110 degree here. Then one more, AC 9 centimeter. So take 9 centimeter. Take AC 9 centimeter. Keep the compass at A and cut the arc. Okay. Join, mark this point as C and join AC. This is 9 centimeter. See, all the three measurements should be mentioned in the diagram. Okay, next we have to draw perpendicular bisector for any two sides of a triangle. I am going to draw for AB. So take half, more than half. This is more than half. Keep the compass at A and cut the arc above AB and below AB. Okay, like this. Next, keep the compass at B and cut to arc. Then join these two. Right angle, mark the midpoint as D. Next, for AC, I am going to draw for AC. So maybe this is half, this is more than half. Okay, take more than half, keep the compass at A, cut to arc. Keep the compass at C and cut to arc. Now join these two. For any two sides we can draw the perpendicular bisector. So this is, mention it as E. Okay. If you had doubt, you can see this is 9 centimeter. So this will be 4.5 centimeter. Here 6 centimeter. Total length 6. So the point D will be at 3 centimeter. Okay. If you want, you can check like this. See here. You can check it is at 3 centimeter like that. Okay. Now mark the point D midpoint and join it with its opposite vertex C. CD is one median, another median. The midpoint of AC, that is E, join with the opposite vertex B. This is another median. These two medians intersect at the point G and G is the centroid of the triangle. Now construction, draw AB 6 centimeter and draw ray BX such that angle ABC equal to 110 degree. With the A as center and with radius 9 centimeter, cut the arc to intersect BX at C. Join AC. ABC is like a triangle. Next, draw the perpendicular bisector of AB and AC. Mark the midpoint of AB as D and midpoint of AC as E. Join CD and BE. The median CD and BE intersect at G. G is the centroid of the triangle.